Today we prepare grilled swordfish together, a perfect main course for those who love intense and authentic flavors. But before we continue, I ask you to leave a like on the video now. Ingredients: 4 swordfish steaks of about 200 grams each, extra virgin olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper, garlic powder or 1 fresh garlic clove, optional, fresh chopped parsley for garnish, lemon slices for serving. Start by rinsing the swordfish steaks under cold running water and patting them dry with paper towels. In a large bowl, mix together the extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, a pinch of salt, and pepper. This marinade will enrich the fish with flavors without overpowering its natural taste. Immerse the swordfish steaks in the marinade, ensuring they are well covered. Let them rest for 15-30 minutes, turning them halfway through to flavor them evenly. Heat the grill to a medium-high temperature. You will need to lightly oil it to prevent the fish from sticking during cooking. Gently place the swordfish on the grill. Cook the steaks for 3 to 4 minutes per side until the typical grill marks form and the edges start to turn slightly golden. While the fish is cooking, you can brush it with the remaining marinade to keep it moist and add extra flavor. Once cooked, remove the fish from the grill and let it rest for a couple of minutes. This will allow the juices to distribute evenly within the meat. Garnish the swordfish steaks with fresh chopped parsley and serve immediately with lemon wedges on the side for those who desire an extra touch of freshness. To stay updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. Grilled swordfish is excellent if served with a simple green salad or grilled vegetables. Remember that swordfish steaks should not be too thin to avoid drying out during cooking. Enjoy your meal.